welcome back to my channel. My name is Anya, and today I am going to make a video about tornadoes. The word tornado is derived from a Spanish word called tronada, which means thunderstorm. Tornadoes are on a much smaller scale when are compared with hurricanes. A tornado's lifespan is much shorter than hurricanes, but they focus on making enormous energy. Now I'm going to tell you guys about how a tornado forms. Tornadoes start with a big thunderstorm, which are called supercells. The first ingredient is rising air to form a tornado. Any storm is formed when condensation occurs. Condensation releases heat, and that heat gets turned into energy, and that brings huge upward drafts of air. These strong and warm updrafts begin to spin because of a deflective force called Coriolis force. If the spin is strong enough, then a vortex is created. If it keeps on spinning and spinning, then a funnel of air may appear, and if it touches the ground, a tornado is now in action. There is also a term called condensation. Condensation is the process of water vapor turning back into water droplets. As you see in this picture, it shows that the water vapor that went in the sun is slowly turning into its original form, which is water droplets, which makes precipitation. Let's talk about types of tornadoes. There are 3 types of tornadoes. The first type of tornado is called water spouts. These are tornadoes that developed over a water source. It's named like it's made with water, but it's mostly just clouds. The amount of spray they can whip up is deadly. There has been some deaths caused by these water funnels. The second type of tornado is called a spaghetti or a rope tornado. These types of tornadoes are long and wispy, and they often are difficult for meteorologists to track. They are well named because they actually look like giant strands of spaghetti or long, thin ropes. The third type of tornado is called a wide or wedge tornado. These types of tornadoes are wider at its base. The wider the base is, the more destructive it can be. The greater the area the tornado has, the faster it will accelerate. Now I'm going to talk about the characteristics of a tornado. A tornado is a weather phenomenon. Tornadoes form on land, unlike hurricanes. Most tornadoes occur in the U.S. Tornadoes can appear nearly transparent until dust and debris are picked up. Most tornadoes are small and produce winds up to 65 through 110 miles per hour, but some can last up to 1 hour and can produce 200 miles per hour winds. When the temperature difference disappears and conditions stabilize, or the moisture in the air dries up, the tornado loses momentum and the tornado comes to an end. So this is called an F-scale graph. So if your category is F0, then the wind speed will be 64 through 115 kilometers per hour. The type of damage will be a little damage. It will be like done with some tree branches broken. So if the category is F1, the wind speed will be 117 through 180 kilometers per hour. The damage will be like some damage is to roof tiles and mobile homes may move. If your category is F2, it will be 182 through 252 kilometers per hour. More serious damage with roofs torn off houses. F3, 254 through 331 kilometers per hour. Severe damage with forests flattened. F4, 333 through 418 kilometers per hour. Devastation. Few walls will remain standing with large debris, missiles thrown great distances. 0.54, 420 through 511 in kilometers per hour. Incredible damage. This rare tornado will result in houses being leveled and debris removed. Top stories on larger buildings can be removed completely.